Top 5 worst piercing aftercare products. Things you use to heal your piercings. Coming up next on Piercing Top 5, episode number 24. Starting with number 5. Saline with food preservatives, contact solution, or anything in a resealable squirt bottle. None of that stuff is sterile saline, and it should not be used the same way we use sterile saline. Number 4, harsh disinfectants such as hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, or Bactine. All of those things will dry out the piercing and can lead to serious issues, including prolonged healing period, in bumps and other problems. Number 3, even though we used to suggest it all the time, antibacterial or antimicrobial liquid soaps such as Dial, antibacterial, etc. They tend to be too harsh, they tend to dry out the piercing, and they tend to prolong the healing period. Number 2, home remedies, things like tea tree oil or aspirin paste and various other things that people tell you to put on things that really doesn't do much. It usually is too harsh, causes problems, may not even be the product that you are actually buying. Like tea tree oil, it's unregulated. You don't even know if a tree or tea tree or any oil was really used, or it's set next to a tree and somebody had a cup of tea. The reality is most people suggest that you use them on bumps. They may make the bump go away for a little while, but it usually comes back because first you have to solve the problem before the reaction to the problem happens. That's a whole nother video. But anyway, yeah, don't use that garbage. And the number 1 worst aftercare product that you can use to heal your piercing are benzothiochloride-based solutions such as ear care, sensitive ear care, and various things you can pick up at the mall. You know, the stuff they gave you when you got your ears pierced by the ear piercing device at the kiosk inside the department store. That stuff. Do not use it on piercings. What are some of the terrible ideas that you were given to heal piercings? Please leave a comment and share with everyone. Till next time, here's hoping to piercings heal with ease and without a single issue. And if you're in the Des Moines, Iowa area, we'd love to see you for your piercing needs in the future. Have a good day, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.